Oriental Rug Care. You know we love reweaving rugs and doing fringes and doing repairs and washing rugs and doing restoration. We love it all. We're Oriental Rug Care. Well, we had this customer. They had a flood. And look what happened to the fringe. Oh my God. Well, this is a old Boca rug or a tiki rug. And the reds really bleed. So we stripped the rug. We got it back to where you can see the whites in it again, and now it's time to refringe it. And Edlin said, you know what, let's get the same texture of fringe as before. So here it is on this part here. She's finished that part, but I guess we'll just have to wait for her to refringe this part. But now she's just doing a little magic on there so she could hand put in fringes. So if you need any refringing, any type of repairs, give us a call at Oriental Rug Care. We'll be happy to serve you.
Hi, thank you.
That's Miss Emma.